On this road, silence swallowed everything. And yet, something was watching. They called it the house that waits. But tonight, the house would not wait long. He came, searching for his missing brother. Marks like these spoke of something desperate, and the house stirred awake. The air smelled of iron and rot. Echoes of laughter, but no children remain, as if the house was inviting him inside. He hesitated, but only for a breath. Every board sounded like it remembered pain, and the house welcomed him. Inside, space itself seemed wrong. The walls bled stories best forgotten. The light feared the dark more than he did, and in the glass, something else lived. Then the dark swallowed him whole. A voice he knew, his brother's, but the touch was colder than death.